Dear students, I hope you all have done your previous homework regularly. So today we will move towards our next topic, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Pronouns used to refers to the preceding noun are known as relative pronoun. They also join sentences. Example is, this is the boy who stood first in the class. This is the book that I was talking of. The noun referred by the relative pronouns is known as its antecedent. In the sentences above, boy, book are antecedents. इन sentences में जो who, what और boy books, इन sentences का जो यूज़ किया गया है वे antecedents हैं. Use of who, whose, whom, what, that. Who may refer to a singular or plural noun or pronoun and is used for personal only. It joins two sentences and is used for the preceding noun. तो who का यूज़ who, whose, whom और that का यूज़ कहाँ होता है इसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. who का यूज़ किया जाता है सिंगुलर और प्लूरल नाउन और प्रोनाउन के लिए और जो कि सिर्फ पर्सन्स के बारे में बताती है और यह दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं और नाउन को बताने के लिए इनका यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द गर्ल हु प्लेज टेनिस वेल. दीज आर द पीपल हु विल हेल्प यू फिनिशिंग द टास्क. और द थीफ हु स्टोल माई बाइक हैज़ बीन कॉट. Last one is, she sold me about the man who calls himself a magician. इन सब sentences में जो who का यूज़ हुआ है वो जो हमें बताता है कि यह relative pronoun है. Whose joins two sentences and is used for the preceding noun. It can refer to person or things. whose का यूज़ दो sentences को join करने के लिए किया जाता है और नाउन को बताने के लिए किया जाता है. और हुज का जो है यूज़ किया जाता है बताने के लिए, किसी पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बताने के लिए हुज का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर गर्ल हुज बुक इज देयर ऑन द टेबल. कि मैं उस लड़की को देख रहा हूँ जिसकी किताब जो है इस टेबल पर रखी गई है. तो हुज जो हमें बताता है कि रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज, दिस इज द बुक हुज डिमांड हैज बीन रेजिंग. डोंट आस्क मी टू प्ले द गेम हुज रूल यू डोंट नो. दिस इज द बॉय हुज फादर वॉज डाइड. तो इन सब सेंटेंसेस में हुज का यूज किया गया है तो ये हमें बताता है कि ये रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है. Next one is whom. Whom joins two sentences and is used to preceding noun. It refers to persons only. Whom का यूज जो है दो sentences को join करने के लिए किया जाता है और ये हमें noun के बारे में बताते हैं और ये सिर्फ किसी person के बारे में ही whom का यूज किया जाता है. For example, the teacher whom I liked most has been transferred. यहाँ पर whom का यूज़ किया गया है क्योंकि सिर्फ किसी पर्सन को बताने के लिए ही whom का यूज़ किया जाता है. I am one of the boys whom they have included in the team. Third one is, this is the doctor whom I met last week. And fourth one, is this the photo of the man whom the police searching. And last one is that. That joins two sentences and is also used for the preceding noun. It refers to things only. That का यूज जो है दो sentences को join करने के लिए किया जाता है और यह सिर्फ things के लिए, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए that का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ द पेन दैट आई बॉट इन जर्मनी. की यह वह पेन है जिसको मैंने जर्मनी से खरीदा था. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज, this is the bag that was missing. Third one is, give me the book that you have taken from me. And last one is this the toy that you wanted to buy. इन सब सेंटेंसेस में जो that का यूज़ हो रहा है यह हमें बता रहा है कि ये रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है और यह नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए that का यूज़ किया जाता है. So have a look at page number 37, G part. So today you have to read page number 34 properly and understood relative pronoun, and fill G part, both portion, first and second, at page number 37 in your book with lead pencil. Choose the correct word from the bracket to complete each sentence. So first one is, I thought it was he who helped me. Second, Priya invited Nisha and me to dinner. Third one, there was an argument between Rohan and her. Fourth, whom can I trust if not her? Fifth one is, Rajat brought his book and laid it on the table. Sixth one, there were doors all around the hall, but his were all locked. You have to rewrite here it, but his were all locked. But they were all locked. You have to rewrite here they. In seventh, Vikas and Ashok work hard. They are praised by their teachers. Eighth one, let you and me try what we can do. Ninth one, we are not so blind as they are. And last one is, they themselves admitted their father in the hospital. You also have to fill second part of G. Choose the correct relative pronoun from the brackets to complete the following sentences. All that glitters is not gold. Second one, she has found the purse which she had lost. Third one, we have found what we have been looking for. Fourth one, the shopkeepers who had closed their shop felt safe. Fifth one, my brother, who is a doctor, has gone to London. Sixth one, there are nothing which I would not do for you. Seventh one is, both the car are its driver, who now come into the sight locked Chevy. Eighth one, Puneet is the best bowler whom we have produced. Ninth one, they never fail who die in a great cause. And tenth one is, the house that had been lying vacant for a long time has been sold off. Thank you.